Hello friends and greetings from Iceland. Today is August 1st and we are back at the eruption site on the summit of Litlihrutur. The weather is not particularly good. We have wind and rain. It just started now, so it's not very pleasant to be here on the top with rain. I got wet now, but what you can do, though they didn't forecast rain, it came. But let's zoom in to the volcano. You see is I see magma. I saw lava. Sorry, lava is not magma. And let's zoom in to the crater. So you see it's we have a kind of crater inside of crater. Two craters now, maybe three. We'll take a better look from the drone as soon as it stops to rain. And so you have one outer wall and then you have another one, and you see magma is shooting there in between, so it's still kicking, still living, and there's lots of smoke. So this is the volcano, 20 times zoom. This is how it looks. It's barely making it. So this is the volcano, there's lava going on, there's some activity, but it's nothing comparing to what we saw when I was here last time, August 1st. It's just 3 days difference, 3-4 days difference, and this is what happened so quickly. It's even less than 1 week. You see, Thordur Thordarson predicted the volcano will stop in a week or two. We don't have even 6 days, not even 1 week, and it's almost dead. But it's not yet. Some lava is there, and there is some activity there. We'll take a better look from a drone. Let's take a look at the lava fields. Here I see lava shining, and the lava fields. Here you see lava. Okay, luckily it stopped to rain. In between we have those storms, like comes strong wind all of a sudden with rain or without rain, and it passes over. And so let's take a look on the other sides, on the lava fields around the Litlihrutur summit. So I don't see any lava shine to the south. Lava shine to the south. And I see lava shine to the east over there. There is lava shining over there. You see. I don't know if it's from past outflows, probably. There is some sort of flow there, and I see also lava shining here down next to Litlihrutur. There's some spillover here, you see, right next. Yeah, this is what I saw. This is all hot lava that I see around so far. I don't see any more hot lava in other locations so visible from Litlihrutur summit. Many people left right now just when it started to rain, and so this is the volcano. It's shooting lava, but barely visible. See, we will zoom in, fly very close with the drone. Yeah, you see, very poor. Yeah. So this is how it is today. Greetings from Iceland.